Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Zion brother, let the session begin. Yeah man. Born in a little village pon the hillside breeze, under star sky and mango trees. Me mama chant psalms by the firelight. Me papa build roof before the daylight. Me nah know city, me nah know war. Me only know love, me only know star. Goat them call me name from the field. Nature teach me what man conceal. Me barefoot run through the wet red clay. Me spirit rise with each break of day. No Wi-Fi but me connected deep to the moon, the tide to me soul's keep. Me a Rasta Born from me ear to me soul. Me walk Jah way, me never lose control. Me chant and plant, me drum and dance. Life sweet like ital, pure like trance. Me a Rasta Born, in a love me grow. From root to fruit, me truth them show. No riches, but me rich in grace. Me live each day with a smiling face. Me burn herb for the healing, not for hype. Me meditate when the stars align right. Me sit under tree reason with thyself. Me nah look fame, me look soul wealth. Me find beauty in rain pan zinc, in a Sistren Love and a brother's wink. Me take time for the sunrise glow, each moment sacred, slow and low. Me sing for Jah, me sing for earth. Me sing for the people who know them worth. Me no want status or no crown, just a hammock swing and the root sound. Me say, let the breeze blow me dread, let the smoke curl high, let the bird fly free. Me nah ask why. Me bless every meal, me bless every tone. Me heart find home when me there alone. I tell still bubble, me sister sweet. Life in the hills, it complete. Me strum me guitar while rain fall light. This life not loud, but it feel right. Me a Rasta Born with a lion heart. Me nah fake smile, me nah play part. Me nah compete, me elevate. Me soul me nah negotiate. Me a Rasta Born, hear me song and know that peace can grow where love flow slow. Me walk with fire but me burn fi heal. Each chant me sing, me spirit feel. Me sight Babylon truck on TV once. Them loud and fast but empty response. Me rather the quiet of coconut fall than the noise of wall after wall. Me play rhythm in a twilight haze. Me hand clap praise, me mindset blaze. Me sistren bring fruits, I'll in a basket weave. Me say, love live long when you believe. Children run laugh by the river bend. Me see hope where some say end. Me not preach, me just live so. And hope say the world go flow. So if you're tired of the race and chase, come find me in a still place where herb grow wild and music live. Where you not take, you give me a Rasta. Ay, Rasta smoking. Bambus bang ya man. Me step out barefoot pan sacred land. One drum, one chalice inna me hand. Me nah need no mic fi chant truth. Me voice echo back from the mountain youth. Me light it up, not just fi high, but fi touch the sky. Fi question why them sell with peace in a plastic bag, while elders still walk with weary rag. Me say nah, not again, me say nah. Me born Babylon with holy Jah. Me drum talk louder than parliament speech. Me chalice teach more than what school preach. Drum and chalice, fire and smoke. Rasta rise when the world provoke. We nah need gold nor flashing light, just heartbeat strong and herb ignite. Drum and chalice, deep meditation, spirit rebel in a sacred vibration. Hear the rhythm, feel the flame. In Jah name, we break them chain. Me sit in a circle with warrior soul. Elders chant while the ganja roll. Me nah hide me truth in silence cave. Me words like thunder, me chant fi brave. Them say me mad, me say me free. Me live by moon, by root, by tree. Me nah worship screen, me worship ground. Me find salvation in a bingy sound. Each puff a prayer, each beat a cry. Each step me take, me walk high. Me nah bow down, me nah conform. Me rise through storm like lion born. System try mash we mental state, but we drum rewrite that heavy fate. Me hold me chalice, me face the storm. Me rebel with love, me nah lukewarm. Them can't decode what Rasta know. Them fear the light, in a we glow. No badge, no crown, just clarity. Me kingdom built in simplicity. So me chant down war, me chant up peace. Me herb bring healing, me words release. Me rebel without no gun or knife. Me rebel with roots, music and life. Drum and chalice, fire and smoke. Rasta rise when the world provoke. We nah need gold nor flashing light, just heartbeat strong and herb ignite. Drum and chalice, deep meditation, spirit rebel in a sacred vibration. Hear the rhythm, feel the flame. In Jah name, we break them chain. Me seen too much, me feel too deep. Me can't pretend, me nah sleep. Me eyes wide like dawn, just break. Me know this system fake up and fake, so me burn it with love. Me rise with style, me walk righteous mile by mile. Me reason with stars, me reason with rain. Me chant for joy, me chant through pain. Me share me spliff with me brethren near. Me share me wisdom, me share no fear. The youth them listen when rhythm strong. Me use the music fi right the wrong. So when the night feel dark and cold, grab your drum and herb of old. Me tell you truth, me not disguise. Me rebel with sound, me rebel wise. Drum and chalice, that a me way. Me live free in a Rasta day. No force, just flow. No hate, just grow. Through the rhythm, the whole world know.
Ay, ay, ay. Granite cushion me bang, yeah, man. Early in the morning, sun kiss me skin. Me rule up wisdom, firelight within. Me not burn fi fun or hype or trend. Me burn herb fi heal, fi truth me send. One little draw and me spirit rise. Me see through lies, me cleanse me eyes. Me sit on rock, watch the eagle fly. Me feel Jah near, me not ask why. Them say weed fi fool, but them blind as still. Me use the leaf fi strengthen will. It open door where system close. It make the rebel mind expose. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me away from Babylon control. One breath deep, me heart beat free. Me rise above, me come back to me. Sacred smoke, me cloud and shield. It bring the peace where them try to steal. Me sit in silence, me hear Jah voice. This herb of Zion, it make me rejoice. Me nah sip liquor, me nah pop pill. Me light up chalice, feed Jah will. Me sight roots, inna the flame. Me call ancestors by them name. Me see me granny in the wheel. She smile and send me blessing swift. Me chant rhythm while the ember glow. This ritual make the river flow. No cigarette, no ashtray for me. Me burn the herb and a tamarind tree. Each draw a prayer, each cloud a sign, each higher stairway to Jah design. Oh, fire burn, but it burn for ill. Me feel the message that Babylon conceal. Me herb is sacred, me herb is life. Me herb cut illusion sharp like knife. No shame, no fear, me carry this flame. Me not play game, me chant Jah name. In a smoke, me find me truth. In a smoke, me heal me youth. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me far from the system's role. Me inhale peace, me exhale stress. Me herb a guide, me soul confess. Sacred smoke, me wings and light. It turn me shadow into sight. This is me sacrament, me daily bread. It raise me higher when the world feel dead. Me born with elders, me born with friend. Me born in solitude when vibes ascend. Me born before chant, before me eat. Me born fi cleanse, me in a street. Them try fi lock it, them try fi ban. But Jah plant herb before man. It grow in wild, it grow in free. It grow for you, it grow for me. Me nah abuse, me give respect. Each spliff me build, me heart protect. Me not chase high, me seek insight. Me herb a torch in the longest night. So next time you see smoke rise, no, it's not escape, it's just surprise. It's healing breath in Babylon air. It's rebel right, it's soul repair. Sacred smoke, me roots, me sky. Me journey start where clouds fly high. Give thanks for life, for fire, for breeze. And me chant Rastafari in peace. Zion echoes, ay ay ay. Yeah, man, smoke bitter sap. In a the morning mist, me light up the key for meditation arise. The vibes now drift, me say Jah Herb and me temple. Uplift, me say Ganja breeze on a holy shift. Sacred smoke, it a bless me soul. From the roots to the chalice, the fire unfold. The green leaf of life, it make me feel whole. Every puff I me take, Jah love me control. Me say me walk through the valley, Ganja light my path. The indica make me calm, the sativa make me laugh. From the seed to the harvest, the herb and my craft. No synthetic vibes, Babylon I get sharp. Them not overstand the power in a the plant. Them fight against Jah gift, them are too ignorant. But me stand as a soldier with the weed me chant. Me say the healing of the nation, this a Jah command. From the green crack to the purple haze, me say Jah Herb light up me days. Them can't stop Jah fire, it a blaze. The Ganja make me sing Jah praise. Sacred smoke, it a bless me soul. From the roots to the chalice, the fire unfold. The green leaf of life, it make me feel whole. Every puff I me take, Jah love me control. Me say me burn the weed, for the clarity me need. No greed, no heat, Jah Herb make me free. Cherry pie inna the grinder, the quality I breathe. Strictly natural herb, Jah guide me deed. Them legalize the herb in some part of the land, but still me see the wicked, them a fight Jah plan. Me say the Ganja farmer are the humble man. From the side to the market, them not understand. So light it up and make Jah bless the breeze. Me chant out my heart, my soul at ease. The sacred smoke rise from the top of the trees. Jah loving on my veins, my heart it sees.
Zion echoes. Yeah, man, smoke Cali weed. Smoke and meditate on Jah word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say early morning, the herb make me rise. The sun come up, Jah bless the skies. The spliff inna me hand, the chalice ablaze. Me chant Jah name inna all me days. Babylon fight it, them not go win. Jah love inna the herb, it cleanse me sin. Herb bring the vibes, make the world unite. Jah guide the path in a righteous light. From the hills of Jamaica to the streets of the town, herb is the power fi make the world crown. Smoke and meditate on Jah word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say roll it tight, pass it round. The vibes make the world lift off the ground. From the hills of Addis to Kingston town, the herb make the Rasta wear Jah crown. Them call it a crime, but Jah set it free. The healing of the nation, Jah ganja tree. Babylon can't stop the love we share. Herb bring the peace where we declare. Me say roll the spliff, me light the fire. The herb is the truth, the herb take me higher. Babylon can't touch the herb we defend. The ganja are the power, the herb we send. Smoke and meditate on Jah word. Herb make the soul sing like Jah bird. The fire keep blazing, Jah light we see. Babylon can't touch a ganja tree. Me say ganja man rise, it's time for the chant. The herb are the gift for the Rasta plant. Babylon a fight, but Jah love they strong. Herb make the Rasta stay firm and long. The struggle are real, the pain can't hide, but the herb make the truth start feel collide. It bring the peace, it bring the joy, for the youth and the elder, for the girl and the boy. So me say burn it high, burn it true. Herb for the people, for the chosen few. Babylon can't stop Jah holy plan. Herb for the healing of every man. Oi, oi, oi. Attachis. Smoke your man. Me sight her from the hilltop breeze. Locks flowing like river through the trees. No makeup, no mask, no disguise. Just natural fire in her eyes. She move like rhythm, talk like drum. Each word she speak make wisdom come. No rush, no game, no show. She walk with purpose, she let Jah glow. Me nah look for queen in a golden flash. Me look for empress who built from ash. She plant seed in a soil so deep. She water it with silence and keep. Sistren love, it pure and real. Not fi show off, just love fi feel. She nah bend, she nah beg. She stand strong pan roots and leg. Sistren love, me temple light. Me hold her close in the darkest night. Me nah own her, me walk beside. Two light
lion hearts in one true right. She cook ital food with love and care. Bless the pot, say Jah prayer. She teach the youth fi overstand. Say knowledge strong like working hand. She burn the herb fi heal not hype, and chant psalms when the moon is ripe. She carry story of our tribe in every glance. Me feel that vibe. Me tell our queen, me not control. She tell me king, me not play a role. We walk in balance, give and take. We build in truth, we not fake. Love not live in chains, love not live in pain. It live in breath, in look, in flame. It rise when two heartbeats same. She na me shadow, me na her sun. We two trees growing from one, rooted deep in Jah design. Me call her royal and she call me divine. Sistren love, it not pretend. It start in soul, it not just trend. She rise me up, me keep her grounded. With her by me side, me life surrounded. Sistren love like river flow, clean, powerful, steady and slow. She not follow crowd, she follow Jah, and that's the realest love me ever saw. Them say love fade in Babylon fire, but we keep flame, we rise higher. We not break when pressure fall. We chant together, we answer call. She tell me, king, protect your mind. Me tell our queen, you always shine. No ego, no fight, just truth and grow. No need for stage, just roots for show. So me sing this song for y'all empress true, who walk in grace with sky so blue. Me love not living cheap wordplay. It living how me treat her every day. So when you see me hold our hand, no say it deeper than you understand. Is not hype, is not show, is Zion love, and that's how it go. Sistren love, one heart, one light, guided by Jah through every night. And when the world feel cold or rough, me rest me soul in our sistren love.
Zion echo, ay ay ay, from the roots to the vasias. Yeah man, freedom is alright. Me walk the road, me light the fire, me carry the load. Me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Me born in the struggle, me born for the fight. Me no live for the chains, me reach for the light. Me free in my soul, me keep the sight. Freedom is the key, me hold it tight. Me rise up for the people, for the ones who fight. Me burn the fire, me spark the light. Me rise through the darkness, me out of the night. Freedom is alright, me I take flight. The chains I hold the people, me see the pain. But me no follow, me break the chain. Me rise from the pressure, me stand in a rain. Freedom is the answer, me speak the name. Freedom is alright, me walk the road. Me light the fire, me carry the load. Me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Me see the world in a confusion and strife. Me hear the cries of the oppressed life. But me trust in Jah, me keep the knife. Me stand for the truth, me rise from the rife. Me light the spliff, me calm the mind. Me see the truth, me know the kind. Me rise in a freedom, me no left behind. Me voice are the weapon, me speak for the blind. Me know freedom and me birthright. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the fight. Me trust in Jah, me walk in a light. Freedom is alright, me future so bright.
alright. Me walk the road, me light the fire, me carry the load, me rise in the fight, me never implode. Freedom is alright, me just go. Footsteps echo in the morning light. March of the free, rise we fight. No headline show it, no newscast play, but the people rise anyway. Me not born fi follow, me born fi lead. Me voice a fire, me word a seed. Them build system from fear and lie, but truth still rise like morning sky. City full of code, full of chain. Them program youth fi chase in vain. But me say knowledge are the true defense, more than wall or high expense. Me chant fi the silent, fi the unheard, fi the youth who can't find them word. Me step steady in a ancient style, with barefoot wisdom and just smile. This a the march of the free, no chain hold me destiny. We chant, we move, we grow, rhythm lead wherever we go. Me granny tell me, speak your truth, don't lose soul, the glitter youth. Me carry that like sacred scroll, me vice a bridge, me aim is whole. Babylon push fear like wine, but we drink roots from Jah vine. We nah need a power machine fi feel what love and freedom mean. Me no beg, me no bow, me live in truth, me chant it now. With every step, me spirit rise, like sun a break through cloudy skies. This a the march of the free, no chain hold me destiny. We chant, we move, we grow, rhythm lead wherever we go. So if you feel that fire inside, don't let them hush it, don't let it hide. March with love, march with flame, and chant Jah holy name. We light the herb, we feel the rise. We take a puff, we see the skies. We chant for the peace, we chant for the sound. We rise above, we never come down. We pass the chalice, we feel the fire. We free from the pain, we go higher. We roll the spliff, we light the flame. We smoke the ganja, we call the name. Inna the smoke, me rise above. Me free from the pain, me live in a love. Me smoke the herb, me feel the high. Me chant for the rhythm, me touch the sky. Pass the chalice, me feel the flow. Me chant the rhythm, me let it go. Me blaze the fire, me blaze the green. Me chant for the herb, me lift for the steam. We move through the haze, we rise through the light. me free from the stress. Me rise through the night, me feel the rhythm, me feel the beat. Me pass the chalice, me move the feet. Inna the smoke, me rise above. Me free from the pain, me live in a love. Me smoke the herb, me feel the high. Me chant for the rhythm, me touch the sky. Me roll the spliff, me light the fire. Me chant for the herb, me go higher. Feel the peace, me feel the sound. Me rise to the top, me keep it round. Me pass the chalice, me chant the truth. Me rise through the smoke, me stay in the youth. Me blaze the ganja, me free from the chain. Me live for the herb, me feel the gain. Inna the smoke, me rise above. Me free from the pain, me live in a love. Me smoke the herb, me feel the high. Me chant for the rhythm, me touch the sky. Me light the herb, me rise through the haze. Me chant for the rhythm, me free from the maze. Me blaze the ganja, me feel the flame. Me pass the chalice, me chant the name.
Sunshine pan Mama Africa. Golden light bless up the land so spectacular. Me hear the ancestors' voice in a deep breeze. Them whisper wisdom, them set we free. The drum them a beat heart strong in me chest. Jah guide me, me know me bless. The rivers them flow, the mountains stand tall. Africa rise up, we never go fall. Me look to the youth, me see the spark. Revolution rise, light up the dark. The knowledge return, the culture ignite. Me chant for the future, me chant with might. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jah blessings fall like rain. The system still a try hold we down, but we stand tall, we wear the crown. The spirit of freedom, it never go die. Me see it in the people, me see it in the sky. Me walk through the market, the vendors them smile. Despite all the struggles, them stay versatile. The children a laugh, the elders them teach. We spread Jah love, we practice, we preach. Them can't erase the history deep. The ancestors' voice in our sleep. We wake up strong, we rise up bold. We tell the story, we make it unfold. Me chant down oppression, me chant down hate. We march for the future, we change, we fate. The fire still burn, the message stay true. Africa rise up, the time brand new. Rising sun over Africa, light up the way. The lion them roar, the warriors stay. We fight for the truth, we break the chain. Jah blessings fall like rain. Me travel the road from Kingston town. Me feel the connection, me feel the sound. The drum them echo, the message spread. The past still guide we move ahead. Me see the farmers, them work the field. Jah bless the crops, Jah bless the yield. The roots them deep, the land still strong. We hold the faith, we chant Jah song. No longer divided, we stand as one. We see the future, we see the sun. No chain can hold we, no system break. The spirit of Africa never forsake. The school them full, the children learn. We take back knowledge, the tables turn. the leaders rise, the voice is loud. We break the silence, we make Jah proud. Me see the mothers, them hold the child. We teach them peace, we teach them style. We no need no war, we no need no gun. We only need love, we only need sun. The mountain call.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Na. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me rise with dawn before the city wake. Me rise with dawn before the city wake. Steam me chalice by the holy lake. Birds them sing a sacred hymn. Me sip vital tea, me mind get trim. No rush, no race, just steady pace. Me spirit float in a higher place. Me walk barefoot, feel earth pulse. Each step a blessing, no need for false. Me light up ganja for meditation. Tune in Jah signal, full vibration. The river talk, me listen deep. It tell me secret when the world sleep. Flow like the Ganja river, slow and wise. Rasta eyes watch the shifting skies. Me na run from life, me flow with grace. In a natural rhythm, me find me space. Flow like the Ganja river, green and gold. Stories of ancestors gently told. Me heart beats soft like Naya drum roll. Me soul at ease, me fully whole. Me sit pon stone under ancient tree. Ganja smoke curl like prophecy. Me mind expand like starry night. Me inner lamp blaze with sacred light. Babylon can't hold me frequency. Me vibration live in simplicity. Me inhale wisdom from the leaf. Exhale out doubt, fear and grief. Me see me path, it wind and bend. But Jah guide me, pan journey end. Me not chase crown or vanity. Me rich in roots and clarity. Me play me rhythm on coconut drum. Call me sistren, me brethren come. Chalice light up like dawn fire. We chant for peace, for soul's desire. Ganja leaf, holy gift from earth. It remind we all of sacred worth. Me na use it fi numb, nor escape, but fi enter trance. Me real shape, me na high, me deep, me na lost. Me steep in ancient flow, that Babylon sleep. Flow like the Ganja river, calm and wise. Rasta chant under moonrise. Me na need clock, nor digital face. Time move different in Jah space. Flow like the Ganja river, sound and pure in a meditation. Me find cure, me hold me ground like mountain strong. In a Ganja flow me belong. Me build me day from natural code. Me carry love like heavy load. Me dance with wind, me smile with sun. Me reason with stars when day is done. Me chalice full but me heart fuller. Me life simple but me spirit color. Each puff a page in a living book. Each verse a stream. Me just look, me nah preach. Me share what me live. Rasta way take less, still give. So if you're tired, come sit pon the stone. Light a fire, you're not alone. Ganja river, take we home. True valleys deep and mountain dome. Me flow with faith, me move with peace. Me chant until the worry cease. So come here now, inhale deep. Let the ganja sing your sleep. Rise tomorrow with clearer view. For in the river, you'll find your true.
Ay, ay, ay. I'm a Mac one in a me pocket.
of the people still a glow. Them build wall fi block review, but me I see the eternal blue. Them chant laws, but me chant truth. Me voice carry spirit of the youth. Babylon blind by greed and gold. We vision ancient, fresh and bold. Them take control with screen and wire, but we chant set the world on fire. Them call we rebel, them call we mad, but deep inside we more than glad. Me nah kneel to them fake king. Me rise with every song me sing. Mystic vibes, rebel souls, carrying the ancient scrolls. Marching steady through the storm. Spirit of Zion reborn, reborn. Mystic vibes, rebel souls, break them chains, take back control. In the heart of the fight we glow. Mystic rivers still flow. Them take we land, them take we name, but them can't take we sacred flame. Each beat of the drum a revolution. Each step we take a new solution. Me sing for the farmer, me sing for the child. Me chant for the jungle, me chant for the wild. No skyscraper block we sun. Roots still grow when the day done. Them whisper lies in our we ears, but we not build life pon fears. We build with stone of ancient dreams. We paint the future with Zion streams. Mystic river, guide me way. Lead we to a brighter day. Me hear the lion in a me chest. We not settle for second best. So me blaze a fire high and wide. Let the world see we not hide. Rebel souls in a mystic dance. We chant, we sing, we take the chance. Mystic vibes, rebel souls, break them chains, take back control. In the heart of the fight we glow. Mystic rivers still flow. Me nah bow to Babylon whip. Me set me course, me make me trip. We cross.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Echoes of the soul, we hear the call. In the rhythm of life, we stand tall. From the roots of the earth to the stars above, we are one, we are light, we are bound by love. Through the valley of shadows we find the way. In the garden of wisdom we'll learn to stay. The winds they carry, the rain it falls, but the heart of the people still stands through it all. The fire within, burning bright and pure. No force can stop us, no chain can endure. We rise from the ashes, we break the mold. With the strength of the earth we'll be bold. Echoes of the soul, we hear the call. In the rhythm of life we stand tall. From the roots of the earth to the stars above, we are one, we are light, we are bound by love. In the silence of the night, the truth speaks clear. The voice of the ancients is what we hear. No matter the storm, no matter the fight, in the power of love we find our might. The world may tremble, the skies may cry, but we stand firm, we'll never ask why. The past is behind, the future is bright. In the power of the present we find our light. When the sun rises, the darkness fades. We'll dance to the rhythm that the earth has made. With every heartbeat, with every breath, we live in love, defying death. Echoes of the soul, we hear the call. In the rhythm of life, we stand tall. From the roots of the earth to the stars above, we are one, we are light, we are bound by love. Echoes of the soul, they carry us through. In the circle of life, we are born anew. From the ground to the heavens, from the sea to the sky, together we rise, together we fly.
Zion roots. Them feed we screen, but starve we mind. Control the soul, blindly blind, but fire still blazing at the core. Ancient knowledge, kick down door. Wake up my people, rub off sleep. Them got you dreaming while you sink deep. You scrolling life, you swipe your fate. Them own your time, them own your gate. The youth a chant in a digital cell. Them like them posts, but heart can't tell. Jah give we more than just two eyes. We vision stretch beyond them lies. Them build them trap with plastic smile. We born royalty, them treat like file. Me nah accept barcode as name. Me born in spirit, me born for flame. Digital chains can't bind me soul. Me come fi mash up every control. From roots to sky, me voice go higher. Me chant with ancient eternal fire. Echoes of Zion in a every line. Freedom encoded in divine. Me not comply, me not consume. Me grow in sun, me not resume. We not subscribe to mental jail. Them Wi-Fi block, but Jah prevail. The signal strong from the mountain top. Ancestors guide every drop. Me hear the drum in a raindrop fall. Me hear it bounce off concrete wall. While system sell, distraction blend. Me bring reminder that truth not bend. Me see them live for numbers and fame, but me chant love, me chant real name. Me nah plug into artificial mind. Me roots too deep, me soul too kind. Them mass control as convenience tool, but me not join them virtual school. Me rather reason on the moon with elders playing a bingy tune. Them take your face, them take your voice, but heart still beat with ancient choice. Them deep fake truth manipulate sky, but Jah's sun still blaze, still high. Me nah go follow algorithm king. Me sing him truth, let the freedom ring. Me voice rise up in every land with staff of peace in a me hand. Digital chains can bind. The ganja field, them stretch so far under the guidance of Jah Holy Star. The elders chant, the wisdom flow. Jah Herb Legacy make the blessings grow. Them fight the herb, but Jah say bless. The ganja cure for the world's distress. Every seed I promise, every plant divine. Herb make the generations align. Jah Herb Legacy, the story live on from the ancient roots till the rising dawn. Pass the flame, let the circle unite. Jah Herb by the torch in the darkest night. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. Them try for ban it, them try for hide, but Jah Herb rise like the ocean tide. From the Rasta youth to the elders wise, the herb make the truth them can't disguise. Babylon tremble when the ganja spread. The herb make the living rise from dead. Every puff a prayer, every draw a song. Jah Herb Legacy keep we strong. Pass the chalice, let the wisdom glow. Jah Herb Legacy make the spirit grow. From the hills of Zion to the urban street, the herb make the art find Jah complete. Jah Herb Legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name.
So me praise Jah Herb till the end of time. Every leaf and bud are the gift divine. Jah Herb legacy, it can't fade away. Rasta fire blaze till the judgment day. Jah Herb legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. Jah Herb legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So me praise Jah Herb till the end of time. Every leaf and bud are the gift divine. Jah Herb legacy, it can't fade away. Rasta fire blaze till the judgment day. Jah Herb legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So me praise Jah Herb till the end of time. Every leaf and bud are the gift divine. Jah Herb legacy, it can't fade away. Rastafire blaze till the judgment day. Jah Herb legacy for the world to see. Light the path to unity. Herb of life, the eternal flame. Forever chanting Jah holy name. So my praise. Hasha, it's so good. Yeah, man. Freedom chant, we raise it high. Under your sun, beneath your sky. Babylon want hush, but them can't deny. The truth of Rasta will never die. Roll up the chalice of OG Kush. Blaze the fire, let Jah light push. It's a mountain tall and river deep. Rasta vision make the spirit leap. Babylon tricks them can't deceive. Jah love eternal, me nah retreat. Rasta Marcus past the chalice bright. With Jah love me conquer the night. The herbs a whisper, the path is right. Zion guide me, my future bright. Roots them strong like the ancient tree. Wisdom flow like the deep blue sea. Babylon fall, them can't hold we. Jah light of the truth, me destiny. Oh, me chant your name in a storm and calm. Oh, Rastafari keep the heart so warm. Oh, them can't harm when me hold your palm. One love eternal, my spirit strong. With purple dream in the midnight glow. The Rasta chant make the spirits flow. Jah light shine on the seeds we sow. Babylon weak, but Zion grow. Run down from the chalice prophet tree. Run down from the chalice prophet tree. Zion echoes. Ay, ay, ay. The sun arise, me feel the vibe. The herb of life, Jah bless me life.
Me step on the earth, me feel so free.
Jah guide me from land to sea.
Me and the crew, we chant your name.
The morning group and the leaves so green.
The world wake up, me soul so clean.
Me take a puff, me mind so high. Me look to the mountains, reach the sky. The birds
dance in the cool nights. The rhythm a guide me, the bassline strong. My soul a dance, me sing Jah song. We chant the songs, we chant the truth. In the power of the music, me find me youth. The herb smoke rise, the spirit set free. In the love of Jah, me find me destiny. Freedom chants, the vibes are pure. Rasta man sing, the heart secure. We lift the spirit, we rise so high. Jah love a shine, like stars in the sky. Freedom chants, the herb a blazing on the reggae groove. We give Jah praise, we chant for love, we chant for peace in the music. The trouble cease. Me walk the road, me face the sun. The journey long, but the battle won. Me feel the love, we spirit the joy. Reggae sound that lift me. Me feel so high, so me Jah bless the people, Jah bless the earth. In the reggae vibe, me find me words. Freedom chant, the sound so sweet. In the arms of Jah, me find me beats, 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 beats. Zion roots. Ay, 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 Rasta man so high. Roots and culture, them we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Jah people rise, we strong like the trees. Our spirit no break with the wind or the breeze. From the hills of Jamaica to the faraway lands, Rasta culture unite the hearts and the hands. But trod in the paths where the elders speak of wisdom and strength in the roots so deep. The rhythm of life keep us move, never slow. Selassie I lead the way, His love we know. Me take a pull from the chalice of truth. Feel the power of the elders from youth. Roots in the soil, culture all around. Rasta style sacred, where peace is found. Roots and culture, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Every song a blessing, every beat a sign. From the heart of Zion, the stars align. Through the herbs, the spirit arise tall. The roots of Jah culture heal one and all. We wear the colors of the lion, stand strong. My life is just story, me love, me song. The youth them rise, understanding the truth of the fire in the earth that sustains our youth. Forever we chant Jah's praises, unite through the roots and culture. We walk the light, no matter the struggle. We carry the flame, in Jah's guidance we remain the same. Roots and culture, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs we grow bold. Rasta teachings in the heart never fold. For unity and peace we blaze Jah gold. Harmony, then we cherish and hold. Through the rhythm and the herbs. Ay, 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 Roger cushion a display. Yeah man, roots in the earth, me heart in the
sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots in the earth, me spirit fly. Me born from the earth, me soul so deep. Me rise from the soil, me never sleep. Me roots grow strong, me promise to keep. Herb in me heart, me soul it's deep. Step in the world, me walk the line. Me rise in Jah name, me know the divine. Me roots in the soil, me life a design. Me walk with pride, me rise in due time. Me feel the strength of the earth and the fire. Me step steady, me never tire. Me roots in the earth, me take me desire. Me soul full of Jah's love, me rise higher. Roots in the earth, me heart in the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots in the earth, me spirit fly. Me born in the soil, me born in the dirt. Me rise with the blessings, me never hurt. Me trust in Jah, me know the words. Me roots in the earth, me keep me birth. Me face the pressure, me face the storm, but me roots hold strong. The spirit warm, me rise from the ground. Me keep me firm, me roots in the earth. Me rise and transform. Me feel the connection, me feel the strength. Me roots deep in the earth. Me go the length, me carry the power, me carry the breath. Me rise in Jah's name, me soul a full extent. Roots in the earth, me heart in the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots in the earth, me spirit fly. Spirit fly, yeah man. Roots in the earth, me heart in the sky. Me like the herb, me soul never shy. Me rise with the sun, me rise with the eye. Roots in the earth, me spirit fly. Spirit fly, yeah man. Roots in the earth, me heart in the sky.
Run deeper than concrete lie, and flame of truth can't ever die. Me walk to the ruin of Golden Gate. Them promise future, deliver hate. The sky look rich, but air feel poor. Them rule with screen, but not secure. Them wear suits made of broken word. Them voice loud, but heart unheard. Me see them praise money, call it God. But just sit higher, ride every rod. Youth cry out for something real. Them tired of fake, them tired of steal. Me bring the fire, me bring the spark. Feel light up Babylon when night too dark. Ashes of the empire fall, but we standing tall through it all. Them system crash, we spirit rise. We chant for truth beneath the lies. Them build high, but them falling fast. Roots reggae sound in the blast. Me not bow to silver or gold. Me
Them change